The organization in that box is phenomenal. They didn't have that organization back 30 years ago when I started into this business, and digging through your drawers and trying to find what you need. Took a lot more time. Now it's nice just to be able to open that drawer, see what's there, grab it.
Having the organization is a big deal because we want to know where those tools are every night.
Every tool we need is right there. And like any other part of the business, inventory management is important.
The organizational order, it's exactly how it was when it was delivered. Kept it that way because it's muscle memory. You open the drawer, you know where it's at.
I would say that anybody who's planning on making a career using tools, the investment's solid in the Cloud9 because the most expensive part of buying tools isn't buying them the first time, it's buying them the second time. I honestly think if you look at your career over the long term, this box could possibly save people money.
Especially when you have it this organized, you're not as worried about losing the tools. A lot of the younger guys are like, well, we lose the tools. We don't want to buy the nice ones because they're gonna get lost. Well, not when you have them organized, you know what's missing.
I need to be more strategic about my purchases. And if that's true for me, then I know it's true for a 20-year-old tech.
I show these drawers off to my neighbors. It gives us bragging rights by all the means, yes.
If you buy a Cloud9 box and say that not 1 ounce of it had to do with ego, you're lying. Because you have to accept that there's something about these boxes that's ego driven. But at the end of the day, you don't make this kind of purchase just based on ego. You make it because it's a good sound purchase and good investment.
I love buying and supporting USA workers and their top quality product. I would like the quality and the looks. So we've worked our tails off for 50 years to get where we're at, and it gives us a ton of pride.
Couple technicians are pretty envious of that Cloud9 box. I have other shop owners that wish they would have grabbed this box before I grabbed it. I think the day that my dealers came by, I bought that box the same day. Yeah, it's a sense of pride. It's a big investment. I love that box.
I believe if you have customers walk in your shop and see a box like the Cloud9, it's going to suggest to them that you're detail oriented, and most people want to hire people to work on their equipment that are detail oriented. And I think Cloud9 certainly puts an exclamation mark on being detail oriented.
If you're trying to run the best mechanics, you got to give them the best tools. And that's what we're trying to do is promote that as a positive service and the best service we can. When someone walks into your shop and they see these toolboxes, they know we're serious. We've always ran our business that way. I've been in business for 35 years. If you show people that you care of what you have for equipment and tools, showing the employees you're going to try to take care of them, and they'll take care of you.
Snap-on's hand tools are by far better than anything I've ever used. When I invested in that Cloud9 box, I did go through Snap-on credit. It was easy. As you get going through the years and invest in this and you build your business, to get that credit through Snap-on is big, you know. Not every shop or every individual can sit down and write a check for X amount of dollars to do that. So that Snap-on credit is beneficial. For the basic technician just coming out of school, this is what they need.